I could stay like this, forever following you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here on my YouTube channel, I'm Nico Patrick and you are welcome. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already, and thank you so much. So today's video is going to be about Fashion Nova. I'm going to be showing to you guys some of the clothes and shoes I got from Fashion Nova, and yeah, so it came like this. And I've already opened it, of course. So some of the clothes and shoes I bought last month, and I also bought some this month. Everything is in this package right there, and I'm going to go ahead now and start showing it to you guys one after the other. So first thing I got is this over the knee boots. You can see that it's really beautiful. I've already wore it one time, so it's very comfortable. It's beautiful. Look at it. It have glitters on it, and it's super comfortable, guys. I love this shoe, and it's very light. It's very light and stable. There is a zip right here. You can just zip it down when you want to wear it and zip it back up when you're done. It's super stretchy, and that is what I love about the shoe. Yeah. The second thing I got is this dress. If you guys see my previous video, this is the dress I use on that video. I already wore it, and it's just perfect. It's beautiful and it's stretchy. I love when a dress is comfortable and stretchy, just like this one. And the third one is this bongode dress right here, and it's a turtleneck just like the other black dress. The only difference is the turtleneck and this hole right here on the hand, and it's also super stretchy. It's comfortable and it's beautiful. I got it for $32, and I was so surprised because the quality of the dress is amazing. Like, the dress is really beautiful. Yeah. And the other thing I got is this silver boots right here. I got it for $34, and it's very comfortable. It's beautiful. Look at that. Just zip it down, and you can also zip it up when you are done. What I love about the shoe is that it's super light. I like when a shoe is light, when a shoe is not heavy, and when a shoe is very comfortable. That is what I like about this shoe. It's beautiful and it's comfortable. And the other thing I got is this jacket right here. It's a camouflage, and it's really beautiful. It's in the size large, because I really love when a jacket is very big, not very tight. A jacket is not supposed to be tight, so I love when a jacket is very big, and this one is I can't wait to put this on. So yeah. And the other thing is this oversized camo pant. Look at that. It's very beautiful. I wore it yesterday. I took a photo with it. You can follow me on my Instagram and see the picture I took with this pant right here. and it's really beautiful. I love the fact that it's very big. Like, it has this thing right here. You can use it to adjust it, you can use it to tighten it to your waist, or you can use it to reduce it when it's very tight. And there is a zip, of course, here, and there is a pocket, a large pocket on the side here, and it's really beautiful and I love it. And the next one is this bungody leather jacket, and it's very comfortable too. It's beautiful. There is a pocket here, and of course some buttons on it too. And this one is really good for this time of the year. I live in Russia, and you guys know it's very cold out here, and I am super excited about this one. I got it for $39 and is in the size large. So that is it. And the next thing is this Miracle Can Happen nude green dress. You guys, this dress is my favorite. This dress is amazing. This dress is beautiful. When I saw this dress on Fashion Nova shop site, I couldn't just stop. I was like, I am going to get this dress before it all sold out. The moment I saw this dress, I fell in love with this dress. I got it for $69.99, and it has this zip on the back. You can zip it. It's very heavy because of the green stones on it, and it's super stretchy. This is the kind of dress I love. I really love this dress. So yeah, next is this gray dress right here. It's something like off shoulder and a little bit of a v-neck, and yeah, the dress is really beautiful and comfortable. It's still stretchy, and that is what I love about Fashion Nova clothes. They are stretchy. I don't know if it's all of them, but the one I've got, they are really stretchy and I love it. And the last one is this dress right here. It's very stretchy on the front like this, and it has this double hands, one on the inside and the other one on the outside, or you can just style it by putting this one somewhere here and this one somewhere here. It has a zip on the back like that. It has a design like this on the front and like this. It's really long, and yeah, it's beautiful and I love it. I can't just wait to wear them and take photos with them. And yeah, that is all for this video, and I want to say that everything I got, I love them all. I love all the dress, the shoes, I love them, and they are very beautiful. I've already ordered another set of clothes and shoes from Fashion Nova. Like, if I don't take care of myself, who will take care of me? If I don't love myself, who will love me? Like, tell me, who will love me? So there is nothing wrong buying things for yourself. Anything you want, just if you like it, if you have the money to afford it, go for it. If you get yourself beautiful things, beautiful clothes, beautiful shoes when you have the money. Just look beautiful for yourself. Look fly once in a while. Come on, life is too short. I don't even need to be talking about all these things on my channel, because I know you guys know these things already. So go ahead, just dress for yourself and look beautiful for yourself. So that is all for this video, and if you love it, give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and thank you so much. Comment and share, and of course I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
I could stay like this, forever following you.